actually promised me. Yun yung pinanghawakan ko. And
Anong estado nyo? Magkalipin na ba kayo? Or something?
We're happy with your career, also with Love Life.
Yes.
So, kamusta naman yung anong inspiration mo?
I'm very, very happy. We're very happy and very solid, I have to say. Even though Mac, he's 24 years old, right, and I'm 30. Well, some would think that it's a big age gap, but some would say, hindi naman, normal lang. But honestly, you know what, isa siya sa pinakabatang nakarelasyon ko, but I think this is the most mature relationship I ever had. So, very, very happy.
Something special about him.
He loves my son very much, and Uno loves him so much. So, that's very special.
So talagang very close siya sa son.
Oo, very, very. Nabibiro na nga siya ng anak ko. Minsan natatawag siyang daddy. Tapos syempre kinukorrect ko. No, that's Tito Mac. Kasi syempre may sarili siyang daddy.
Pero kung sakali ba, ready rin siyang maging daddy talaga in the
Alam naman niya yun kasi nung nag-date kami, first date namin, sabi ko, I'm seriously looking talaga. Kasi, well, definitely I'm 30, you know, I'm tired of playing games and stuff. And of course, he's 24 and basketball player. Syempre, expected natin lahat, di ba? He still wants to have fun and all. But apparently, si Mac talaga parang na-try din ata niya ng agad, no, sa murang edad. So, at his age, like by now, I think he also wants to settle na rin.
Di ba kakaiba yung kwento ng pagkakakilala nyo?
Oo nga.
Ha?
Kakaiba yung kwento, di ba, ng pagkakakilala nyo?
Bakit siya kakaiba? Ako lang naman yung nag-message. Ano naman kakaiba
Di ba, ikaw
doon?
na una, ikaw nagdamo.
Eh, sa akin, hindi kakaiba yun. Kilala naman niya akong talagang ako yung mapusok, hindi ba? Hindi, pero totoo, kasi ano yun, dahil to kay Xavier Ramos talaga, nakita ko lang yung stories ni Xavier sa Instagram, tapos nakita ko sila somewhere, tapos sabi ko, uy, parang cute yun ah. Sabi ko, so, tinignan ko, sinuko yung IG niya. Eh, yung ganun itsura, di ba parang, naku, hindi naman nababakante to, hindi nawawalan to. Tsaka feeling ko, baka laging may girlfriend to. Eh, nakita ko, wala naman siyang nakapost na girl. So, ginawa ko, ako talaga yung nag-follow, ako yung una nag-message, pero totoo yun, yung dun sa Fast Talk, yung message ko talaga, emoji lang, walang iba. Kasi para safe.
Anong emoji?
Ganun lang. Ganun lang, kasi para safe. Kasi kung sakaling may girlfriend na hindi pa masyado pinopost, at least, sasabihin niyo, oh, smile lang naman, hindi naman, wala namang hinihingi sa'yo whatsoever. Pero nag-follow siya agad, tapos nag-reply, tapos in 3 days, he asked me out on a date.
Ganda mo na!
Talaga!
So, masasabi mo talagang iba na yung mga babae ngayon din, yung panahon na kung gusto mo porsigido mo, parang gano'n.
Oo naman, I'm very with that. Dapat ngayon, hindi lang, kasi dati di ba pag ang lalaki lang yung pwede magtrabaho, babae may iwan sa bahay, parang wala masyadong freedom. Pero ngayon, I think naman it's very outspoken na with women, we know what we want and we have the right to do what we want. And of course, our rights as a woman, and we're very clear with that. So, yun.
Galing ano lang fear mo sa ganung klaseng relationship?
Fear?
Oo. Na ikaw yung unang nag-message, tapos pa siyang virgin sa'yo.
Anong fear ko?
Na baka i-ano ka, parang thumbs
I'm
down.
very confident. I don't think I have any fear or like insecurity with other women. I mean, if he would be in a place that's gonna be a lot of, you know, very gorgeous women, I'm not gonna be afraid or anything kasi I'm very confident with who I am and what I give with him, and he actually promised me. Not all those women naman din nasa place yung promised me that, you know, whatever, but he did. So, yun yung pinanghawakan ko. And
Ano yung pinakamagandang nangyari sa 2025 mo?
Oo, sobra sa, alam nyo naman na, we're all very aware, like my year 2025 was very, very, very tragic and terrible for me. So Mac actually is really a big surprise talaga. I think he's really a gift from God.
Pero napagka...
Yes, yes.
Sige, ikaw naman.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Si Mac ang bahala doon. Hindi ako magpaplano about
Ayaw
it.
pangunahan?
Ako. Very, very, very. Sorry?
Very romantic.
Si Mac, sobra, very intentional, I have to say. And he knows the small things. So yun yung talagang, I think yun yung sobra nagiging special siya. Sobrang listener, galing, very observant. And hindi siya papayag na na hindi ako nakakauwi ng safe. So kahit sobrang layo pa niya, pupunta na pupuntahan niya ako. Sorry?
Wala siya ngayon.
I'm not sure. I'm trying to invite him still, but let's see if he comes.
Anong estado niyo? Magkalipi na ba kayo? Or something?
So, ano ba to? All out, ano ba to ng
Yes.
So, parang...
Ito na yun. Wala nang urungan, 2026 na eh.
Medyo, may times na gano'n. Kasi nakakasama din talaga niya yung baby ko, and my mom lives with me, and doon ko nasasabi na, he loves me. Kasi wala sa kanya yun eh. I think, siguro sa ibang guy, parang they would feel awkward, right? Oh, kasama niya pala yung nanay niya sa bahay, no? Pero siya, wala siyang pakialam. Even still, my brothers, on every weekend, they sleep in my house, and he's also there, so walang problema sa kanya.
So ano ng emoji ang magagamit mo ngayon to describe your relationship?
Busog-lusog.
Napag-uusapan yung wedding or something?
Yes, definitely.
Nakikita mo siya, please naman.
Yeah, yun yung, totoo yun, yung kinuwento namin kay Tito Boy na when he asked me to be his girlfriend, I didn't say yes agad. I asked him a lot of things because I have to consider a lot of things. Of course, my son, right? Kasi I'm seriously looking, meaning I am dating to get married. So he knows that. So he knows that before I said yes to him as a girlfriend, he knows that yun yung gusto kong patunguhan. So kung magiging boyfriend kita, walang atrasan. Walang atrasan.
Tali mo na.
Language mo.
Love
What's your
language.
love language?
Service. Service talaga. Gusto ko halagaan kita, bigyan kita ng oras.
Yun yung ikaw ba nagbibigay. Pero pag ikaw yung nakaka-receive, anong gusto mo?
Gifts. Maano ko sa gift talaga. Parang kahit lollipop pa yan, promise, sobrang...
Kahit diamante.
Kasi I think it's the thought that counts eh. Yung the fact na naalala ka ng tao na yun, na ay, magugustuhan niya to, or mapapasaya ko siya dito, kahit candy lang yan, sobrang laking meaning nun for me.